We never have tested on animals, never will, now or in the future. In fact, it's part of our legacy. We want to benefit the world. We don't do it for money and sales. We do it for a change. The first professional healthcare company to ever state, we do not test on animals, we never did, it's wrong. It was never right to test on animals. We make products for hair, and we do it with professional hairstylists. Let's test on ourselves first, and not animals.